Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here. The Sawmill project went as planned. It took from 11 a.m. Well, I left here at 9:30 a.m. and got back at 3:45 p.m. Invested $200 cash and ended up with this pile of slabs. Now with the ash, as I had mentioned, I went all pretty much 2 1/4 slabs, benches, leg stock, whatever. The tulip poplar, I went predominantly with these 5.5 inch outside slabs. There's 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the centers, there's 3 of those, and they will have cracks in them because of the pith. I will see how those cracks open up, and then I will rip these open, leaving me beautiful quartered 4-inch thick material. The white oak, that's what you're looking at here. There's one white oak slab, and down the back you can see it's all clear. In the front, not totally clear, but I think I could get some nice 5-inch thick bowl blanks out of that. The rest we went with 3 1/4 slabs. This one's a little bit more, this one's closer to 4. And they're not perfect. They are not perfect. So what will happen now is some of the cracks, like down here, that crack there, will open up and it will tell me what will remain useful and what's not. Same with the tulip poplar. That crack will open up and it will tell me. But there you go, everybody. That's what the Sawmill project yielded today. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe 14 ash, and then 9 tulip poplar, and 5 of the white oak. Boy, I tell you, that white oak is heavy. I don't dare try to lift it. All I can do is teeter-totter it on the ground, you know, just sort of walk it. I will be sorting through this a little bit tomorrow, organizing them so that they're all together in each log, and posting them for sale. So listen, what did you do today? Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.